Hi, this is Insider Style by Wynstan. I'm Lifestyle Journalist Holly Byrne, and today we're in the beautiful new home of Hayden Sara.
Hi, it's Hayden Sara.
Welcome to our home.
Tell me about this beautiful new place. What was the prompt to move here and start building?
So before the block, I'd acquired this property and it was like an old beach shack. And then we went on the block, and then when we came off, we fortunately had some money to kickstart it, and yeah, it's been a great project. I grew up sort of in Cronulla area south of the city and used to surf on this coastline all the time, and just thought, you know, it'd be great to sort of have kids down here, because I remember being a kid and just enjoying the beach area down here so much. So I thought I'd love to give that to my kids and Sarah too.
We started expanding our family and we thought a 2-bedroom apartment would not suffice anymore. No, yes.
So being more of a forever home and with the kids in mind, what were the non-negotiables that you had with this place?
Our original vibe was just a modern kind of urban concrete vibe, but obviously with the coastal influences. With the shears, especially when the wind is blowing, it really lightens up the room and makes it feel like you're in a coastal home.
Being on the block and obviously your work, what big lessons have you already learned that you put into practice getting started here?
We've learned a lot, not to rush. That's a really big thing in construction and design, to just really kind of think about where you want to put things. It really just takes time.